Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to adjust the icon size on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now there are two methods to adjust the icon size on your iPhone. For the first method, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen, then tap on Edit. From here, just select Customize. Now at the bottom of the screen, you will find the option to increase or decrease the size of the icons on your iPhone. Just like that. With this method, you will increase the size of the icons, but you will have to sacrifice the app names. Now, if you do not want to remove the app icon names, but you want to get larger icons, now just follow the second method. For that, just open Settings, then tap on Display and Brightness. And from here, you will find the option of Display Zoom. Just tap on it, and from here, instead of default, just select Larger Text. And once you select larger text, then tap on Done. Now just select Use Zoomed. And once you do that, you will increase the size of the icons on your iPhone. But you will also increase the text size of your iPhone. Now to fix this issue, just go back. Now in the display and brightness settings, you will find the option of text size. Just tap on it. And from here, just adjust the text size as you like. Just like that. And this is how you can adjust the icon size on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.